got to have adult supervision next to you. So first, you're gonna need some peanut butter. And then you're gonna need a bowl. And then you're gonna need an egg. You're gonna need a spoon. You're gonna need a measuring cup. And you're gonna need some sugar. So first, what do we do, Nan?
We put 1 cup of peanut butter in.
Now,
Keep that.
we
You need
need
to take that and put it in there. Scrape it out with a
to
spoon.
scrape this out into the bowl. Oh, I can feel the bowl slipping
Need
out
help?
of my hands. Yeah.
Need help? You need help?
She's gonna do all the peanut butter stuff because I can't do it. So now that we got all the peanut butter into the bowl, we are going to
Crack an egg.
crack an egg. I'm gonna crack the egg.
If you're worried about getting shells in it, you're better off cracking the egg in here first. And that way, if any shells get in, take them out.
I'm gonna go in here. Now we gotta look and see if there's any shells.
Good girl.
And now we're gonna just,
And now sugar.
sugar.
You need
This feels so weird.
small glass, half a small glass maybe. Because we don't want to put in too much sugar. So when it gets really like that, like really
And you also
crumbly
got,
looking, almost like putty,
and it all get up
just pick it up,
there.
a little ball, and then roll it around in your hand like a little ball, and lay it down here like that, and then you get a fork.
And you just press down.
Yeah. Plastic fork.
Feels so weird. It kind of feels
There you
like
go.
Play-Doh.
Oven at 350 for 10 minutes, 12 minutes.
Oh, I love this. We don't want any germs on our hands and making us sick. Gotta make sure to always wash your hands before you touch something or eat, because bacteria in your hands could get in your mouth and then could make you sick. We don't want that.
There you go.
So there you go to the oven. So we need to leave them in for 12 minutes. We're gonna take them out and we are going to cook. Hey, then try and close your round.